Hello, this is Sharif for Just Nailed It, and we are here on the 4th of July Eve, racing to get us a 4th of July manicure finished. I kind of forgot. We got 5 white nails. They are not matted out or anything, so they are sticky. I got this pack of stickers I just ordered from Amazon. I don't know if you need to see this. FX 3400. Let me get it all in frame. So we're gonna open these up. These were delivered just off Amazon. I got those and some star sequins. So we're gonna go over those. We saw those. I'm gonna show you each sheet. Like, oh, look at the butterflies and the ribbons. Aw. Quite a few sheets here. You could use these for Labor Day. Oh, look. Look. I love this one. Oh, look. Flames. That is too cool. So makes me think Election Day. Yep, vote. All for voters manicure. Look at this one. This one's kind of cool. The British are coming. The British are coming. And then we're here. We are back to our first sheet. I'm confused what to do now. He had a lot of things in here I wanted to use. Definitely want to use this one. Let me thumb through these really quick again. They're gonna put me a flame on the pinky nail. The ring finger is going to be. I also got these from Amazon. They are stars hollowed out. And then they got the itty bitty ones in mixed with it, which would be the centers cut out. That's gonna be our ring finger. From Total Brain Fart, I'm gonna use She Modern's stencil glue gel to make this really sticky. These are for our star sequins. Gonna pop that in the lamp. While that is doing that, we're gonna jump in with some stickers. These are so cool. I am so loving these. So loving those. Okay, we got that one down. Some flames. Let me see. Wish we had 4th or fireworks on these. I wish. I'm just trying to fan them out so I can see what I'm gonna use. I want this bow. There we go. Okay. These are too cool. Definitely want some of the little stars. Trying to catch them off the lid so they're easier to grab. We go to the red. Whoops. Trying to get more of the stars. Trying to get more of the smaller stars. Here we go. I'm going to top coat this puppy right here. That way the stars are laying flat. I'm on the frame top coat as well. I'm very sorry about that. I mean, I know it's no big deal. You know how to top coat a nail. We're going to pop them in the lamp for 60. Back to our nails. This is our thumbnail. We're going to go on with this sticker right here. Now what I'm going to hurry and do is score it, which means cut a couple, whoops, whoops, whoopsie, whoops, that was way too big of a cut, way too deep. Not exactly laying quite centered, but it will do. Gonna go back in for some little stars. Get us a couple of each color out. Oh, there's no little blues. Okay. Got 3 fingers done. I want the high heel. I want the star, of course. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. Almost crinkled my stars. Trying to eliminate some of the ones I'm not going to use. Let me see here. Let me take a gander at all of them together. Now we're just down to these 2 sheets right here. Just these 2 for our Mitchell nail. can't get her to lift up so I can turn it. Forgot what it's going in for now. I love USA. I'll put that at the top of the nail. Look, I'm turning every which way. I love USA. Where's we getting fireworks? Man. Really liking this one. Really like that one. Let's see a blue heart. Put that over here. So I think it's the red one. Beautiful. And last but not least, a butterfly. There we go. I'm going to pause, top coat, pop her in the lamp, and we will be right back. Alrighty, here we are. We're out of the lamp. The nails are finished. Happy 4th of July, everyone. 2022. This is our 4th of July manicure this year. Spur of the moment, kind of late. Very sorry. Let me comment down below. Let me know what you think of my sticker manicure. I think the sequins turned out well. Anytime you're working with sequins like this, after you top coat them, you may feel the corners of like stars or other things pointing up. Just get a low or a high grit file, you know, like for natural nails. Just lightly buff over it, smooth those corners out, re-top coat it, and you're good to go. Just a little tip and tricks there for you. The rest of the stickers are flush on the nail. You don't feel nothing from them, which is the whole point. Well, this is it for today. Like I asked, leave me a comment down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click all the notification bell. Get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may come across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day, a happy, safe, and 4th of July.